Welcome to this tutorial on Pages. You can see the icon in the lower right hand corner. It's kind of orangish with the icon of a pen. Pages is a word processing app. I like to think of it more of a creation tool that we can use. You can add your own content, text, pictures, video. So if you open it up, Pages, I think the first time that you'll open it up, it will say use Pages or continue, and you can take kind of a brief tour. But basically, the first time you open it up, you want to press the Create Document, the icon with the plus button. And you can see that you can start off with just a blank canvas, basic white document, either vertical or horizontal. Or if you scroll through, here are a lot of different pre-made templates that you could use. So these are report templates, letter templates, resume templates, envelopes, business cards. These are ones that students often like to use, flyers and posters, cards, newsletters. Now obviously if you're going to be using one of these pre-made templates, for example, you see the one where it says for sale and you see a little scooter, you don't have to use that poster to just be selling something. You could even use it for maybe a book report if you wanted to be talking about a main character. Instead of for sale, you could put the character's name at the top and you put a picture, and then you could describe in the lower rectangles maybe the character traits that character displays. So you can be very creative with these templates that you select. I also wanted to point out that any of these templates that you see in here were made by a person, so you can make any of these templates on your own just by starting with the blank canvas, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start off with the blank. So I can add text just like this. Okay, if I wanted to, I could select it and make my text a little bit larger. Okay, I could even change the type of font style that I want. I like to start using the tool zone in the upper right hand corner, especially the plus button. If you select the plus button, this is where you can add charts and tables, graphs, which we probably won't be doing a whole lot of this year, but the square has different shapes, so you can scroll through and select different colors. Now, we're not just going to add a shape just to add shapes. We might want to add a shape to point to a picture or point something in particular. I also like to use shapes to maybe start making a template like you saw, maybe make a poster. So now I can add so you can see that's the start of making a document that's more than just a white background. So that's how I like to use shapes. If I go back up and click plus, in the right hand corner you can see a picture of a landscape. That's media, so you can see I can insert either I can take photos, I can take video, or I can insert from my camera roll, take any picture or video that I have on my camera roll, and I can insert it right into the document. So let's say I wanted to do a picture of Mount Rushmore. I could have the picture, and then I could start typing right next to it. Okay. There's a lot of other tools inside of Pages that I'm not going to get into in this tutorial, but this is the formatting tool, exporting tool, different tools that you could get into. Some of the next tutorials I'll start focusing on formatting and how you can take these pictures and even layer pictures, or how you can have shadows and reflections on the pictures. But for now, just get inside of Pages, start adding pictures, text, shapes to figure out how you can use all of those features. As always, if you have any questions, ask some of your classmates, as a lot of them have already used this app. You can also ask your teacher or email me at gcodney@fairview.k12.oh.us. Thanks, and enjoy using Pages.